morning, dears. Last day of arithmetic class, we have completed up to question number 4. Look at question number 5. Here it says set A is set which consists of member 248, B 02469 and C 0123456789 10 11. Now you have to write the given statements as true or false. A and B are disjoint sets. They are not because 2 and 4 are the common members. So the first one is false. You can write in the book also, in book only. First is false. Second it says B is a proper subset of A. No, B has a certain members which is not in A. So this is also false. Number 3, A is a proper subset of C. Yes, it's true. All the members of A are the members of C. A is a subset of B. Again it is false because A is having 8, B does not. Consist 8. Number 5, A is a proper subset of B. Still not false. Number 6, it says C is a superset of B. True, because all the members of B are the members of set C. Number 7, C is a superset of A. It's also true. And the last one, C, A is a proper subset of C. Is A is a subset of C? No, C is a subset of A. So this is false. Write it for number 5. Number 6, it says A is a letter of word lead. L-E-A-D. B is a letter of word deal. D-E-A-L. And C is a letter of dealer. D-E-A-L-R. D is a letters of word leader. L-E-A-D-R. Now, write the given sets in roster form and state whether each of the given statement is true or not. All the sets I have written in roster form. Now the first one is A is the subset of B. Now L-E-A-D, D-E-A-L. Is it subset of B? Yes, because these are same. Members of set A is a member of set B. So this is true. Number 2, C is a subset of D. The member of C and D are same. So this is also true. So they are subset. Number C, A is equal to B. Yes, both the members are same. So this is also true. Number 4, C is not equal to do. C and D are equal. So this is false. For question number 6, C and D are not equal, they are saying. No, it is wrong. C and D are having same members. A is equivalent to B. Yes, it is true because A and B is having same numbers of members. C is equivalent to D. It's true. C is a superset of B. Yes, it is because the member of B are the member of C. D-E-A-L, D-E-A-L. So this is also true. Number 7, it is no. 6 is equal to 6, 7. Number 8, D is a subset of A. No, D is having R extra. A is a subset of D, but D is not a subset of A. So this is false. This is question number 6 is done. Number 7, it says universal set U is equal to all the positive integers up to 20 and the negative integers endless. There is no end of this. B is equal to minus 3 to 3. A is equal to minus 3 to 3. B is equal to minus 5 to 5. And C is equal to minus 6, minus 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 5, 6. Now you have to write the statements whether it is true or false. So have a look. The first one is saying A and B are disjoint set. Do they are? No, they are not, because the members of set A are the members of set B. So they are not disjoint. Disjoint means the members would be totally different. This is false. Number B, A and C are disjoint sets. Now look at members of set A, minus 3 to 3, and C, minus 6, minus 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 5, 6. So minus 1, 0 and 1 are the common members. So this is also false. Number C, A and C are overlapping. Yes, it is true, because 3 members are common, minus 1, 0 and 1. So this is true. Number D, A is equivalent to B. B is having 11 members. Is it? No, 13 members. 11 members, and set A is having 7 members. So they are not equivalent. False. Number 5. B is equivalent to C. No, they are not equal members. They didn't have. So this is also false. A is equivalent to C. Now C is having 7 members. A is having 7 members. So this is true. A and C are overlapping sets. Yes, they are, because the members are common. So number 8 is also true. This is number is given 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written 1 ABCD. Do not get confused. The same thing. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 only. Now question number 8 is a homework. Set builder form. You have to write it. I am not going to write question number 8. Now 9 it says, let T is equal to PQRS. Write all the subsets of T. Write the proper subsets of T. Now we have to write the subset. Subset means all the members can form subset. How many groups you can form with this. And proper subset means that particular set will not be, at least something should be extra in a set. That is called proper subset. Now 9 number. T is equal to P, Q, R, S. Now subsets of T are this is first is 5, that is empty. Then only P, only Q, only R, only S. Then PQ, PR, PS. Is it? Then QR, QS, then RS. Then we'll take 3 people together. PQR, PQS, PRS, then QRS, then finally we'll have it PQRS. You see how many sets we found? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There is a formula. It means it is correct. There is a formula. Number of sets, subsets is equal to 2 to the power n, where n is cardinal number of set. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So 2 to the power 4, there are 16 subsets. We got 16 subsets. So it is correct. This is to check you. Okay, this is not needed. These are the subsets. First you write. Then there is a formula, number of proper subset. Proper subset means at least one member should be extra in the main set. So 2 minus 1, 2 to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 16 minus 1. There will be 15 proper subsets. Now what will be not in the proper subset? This PQRS will not be in proper subsets. So this will be, after writing subsets of T, you write proper subsets of TR. Here this PQRS all together, where all the members are the forming subset, but they are not forming proper subsets. So the proper subsets of T are 15. Please write it. Now fill in the blanks is a homework. This fill in the blanks, question number 10. You write in the book, copy. Fill in the blanks. Question number 10 is a homework. Next day we will be learning exercise 6C. Okay, if there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Okay dear, till then keep practicing. Thank you.